In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down navigation on your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to group related pages under a clean, organized menu so visitors can find what they need fast. Start by opening your website in Squarespace and signing into your dashboard. Once you're in, head straight to the Pages panel. This is where your site's navigation lives, and it's the control center for everything we're about to do. You'll see your primary navigation at the top and, depending on your template, other sections below it. Now, hover your cursor over the navigation area until you see the interface highlight. That highlight indicates where you can add something new. Click to open the Add options and choose the drop-down item. Depending on your version, it may appear as drop-down or a folder type option. Give your drop-down a clear name that tells visitors what's inside. Something like Resources, Services, or Learn works well and keeps your navigation intuitive. Next, we're going to prepare the pages you want inside that drop-down. Click on Events, then Shop, then Home, followed by Blog 1, Blog 2, and Reviews. Opening each one ensures they're active and ready for organization and lets you confirm titles and visibility. Consistent naming helps a lot here, so if any page title looks confusing, rename it before you tuck it away. Once you've clicked through and checked each page, you're set to organize them under the drop-down you created. At this point, use the Pages panel to place those items beneath the drop-down so they appear as a nested list in your navigation. Keep the order logical. Perhaps Home at the top if it belongs there, then Events and Shop, followed by Blog 1, Blog 2, and Reviews. After you've organized them, click Blog 1 again, and then Home one more time to confirm they appear where you expect, and that the drop-down behaves correctly in the preview. This quick check is a simple way to catch any misplacement before you share your site. A few tips as you finish up. Shorter labels improve readability on smaller screens, so keep names concise. Group related content together to reduce clutter. And remember, your site saves as you go, but it's always smart to preview your changes on both desktop and mobile to see how the drop-down expands and collapses. That's it. Your drop-down navigation is now set up, clean, and easy to use,